Our next section is on multiplying fractions. Flip over that tab, please. To multiply fractions, I will first multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. In this case, I have mixed numbers, so I need to first convert them to improper fractions. Looking at my fraction on the left, 1 and 1/5. I'll take 1 times 5 to get 5, plus 1 is 6/5. My second fraction, 1 and 1/9. 1 times 9 gives me 9, plus 1 gives me 10 over 9. All right, there are two ways I can approach this at this point. I can first simplify and then multiply, or I can multiply first and then simplify. Personally, I'm a fan of simplifying first because it means I'm going to multiply to smaller numbers. If you'd rather multiply and simplify afterwards, that's fine too. So to simplify, I'm going to look and see if there are any numbers that are factors of the numerator and the denominator. So I'll see that 6 is in the numerator and 9 is in the denominator, and they both have a factor of 3, so I can divide them each by 3. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2, and 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. Looking even further at the numerator and denominator, my numerator says 10, my denominator says 5. 5 is a factor of both of those, so I'll cancel out a 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that simplifies my fraction pretty severely. In the numerator, I've simply got 2 times 2, which is 4. And in my denominator, 1 times 3, which is 3, so 4/3. It is okay to leave your fraction as an improper fraction. If you'd rather write it as a mixed number, this would be 1 and 1/3. If you're the kind of person who wants to multiply first and then simplify, that's fine. You should get the same answer. So either way, we're taking 6/5 times 10/9. And if you multiply first, 6 times 10 will give you 60, and 5 times 9 will give you 45. Both of these are divisible by 15. 60 divided by 15 gives me 4, and 45 divided by 15 gives me 3, giving me the same answer of 4/3. Please go on and watch the division of fractions video next.